The boy sits all alone in a dark, suffocating room, and he's dying slowly every single day, every minute, every second, slipping further away. Worried about everything. What does he want from life? Freedom. Freedom from what? Everything. Does that make him a loser? No. Then what is he? A survivor. Imagine a dark room, pitch black, suffocating, silent. So silent you can almost feel the weight of the quiet pressing in on you, like it's alive, wrapping around you, thick and unyielding. It's a silence that isn't just empty, it's heavy, thick with tension, like it's waiting for something, anything to break it. You step into the room. In the corner, there's a boy. He's lying on the cold floor, trembling, fear etched into his face, anxiety piercing through his eyes. He's almost gone, breathing, but lifeless. What's his problem? His life? Or the life he's living right now? Wait, curious, who is this boy? Well, this boy is you. Have you ever stopped to think about what life truly means? Love, integrity, friendship, empathy. But in today's cruel world, the meaning has twisted. Life, living in fear and emptiness. Now let me ask you, when was the last time you ended a day without fear or stress? Let me guess, never. Because you're stuck. You're trapped in a loophole, an illusion created by the rich and powerful, an illusion they call life. Wait, what? Does that mean life itself doesn't exist? No, life exists, but this daily illusion you're living, the struggle for money, mental peace, climbing ladders of success, it's not life, it's a trap. You've spent half your existence in schools and colleges, dreaming of wealth, luxury, and happiness, dreaming of your ideal life, the dream car, the dream house, the dream destination, the dream love. But here's the harsh truth. It's all just an illusion. The solution? First, get out of that dark room. Be mentally strong. Step out of your comfort zone. Learn something new every day. Develop skills. Stop depending on schools and colleges to create your dream life, because they won't. Second, be physically strong. Break free from the lifeless body you're in. Go. Hit the gym. Build yourself into the powerful being you were meant to be. Third, be financially strong. You've already learned the skills in step 1. Now, use those skills. Apply them where they matter. Start earning. Build your financial freedom. Fourth, be disciplined, because no one, absolutely no one, succeeds without discipline. Remember, we do today what they won't, so tomorrow we can accomplish what they can. Trust me, if you follow this path, you'll live the dream life you've always wanted. You'll buy the dream car you've always dreamed of driving. You'll travel to the places you've always wanted to explore. You'll be with the person you love. You'll be mentally strong, confident, motivated, and healthy. But wait, how do I know this? Because I'm from the future. And I see a confident man living his dream life. I see someone driving their dream car, traveling the world, and thriving. I see someone surrounded by love, success, and health. And that person is you. But remember, it all starts with one step. The first step. The step where you break free from that dark room. The step where you leave your comfort zone. So ask yourself, when will you take that step? Your future starts now.